Okay, so speaking of doing things to save money, I'm gonna make dog treats. So when I found out how simple the recipe is, I mean, we did this because we wanted to save money because they're just crazy expensive right now, but also there's just so much crap in them that just not great stuff for the dog. So when I looked it up, I found that this is the ingredients. It's flour, water, eggs, and cheese. Now there's lots of different ingredients you can find for some of them. Some of them call for pumpkin puree, some of them call for peanut butter. We've got a son that's still allergic to peanuts. So I wanted to make some treats where he can help give them to the dog. I'm sure that I'll make peanut butter treats because our dog loves peanut butter, but that would have to be, for our son to be able to give those to her, it would have to be, like he'd have to give them to her with a spoon or use a glove to touch them, you know. So I wanted to make sure that I'm making something that he can touch. So I've got the parchment paper already on the cookie sheet. I'll blend it up in my Bosch. And we'll just, it calls for like cookie cutters, cute little doggy cookie cutters that you can shape. Well, I don't have cookie cutters that is in a dog bone form. I've got lots and lots of cookie cutters, but one commenter said she just did, when she rolled it out and cut it up, she just used a pizza cutter. So I'll be doing that to see how it turns out. So we actually found a doggy bone, a cute little cookie cutter. So we found in cowboy boots. So we actually found these cookie cutters that we had in our huge collection of cookie cutters. So we got to fit it all in this one pan, and then I just cut the rest of it in strips. It only takes 20 to 25 minutes to cook, so we'll look at them when they come out. All right, checking back in with the dog treats. They look super cute. They're just nice and thick. I did the depth, left it about ½ an inch after rolling it. Like I said, I had a couple pieces left that I just cut with the pizza cutter. So I'm excited to see how it turns out. But we're gonna cut them up probably in smaller pieces. Sophie doesn't have a lot of teeth left, so I'm excited to see how she likes it. So Sophie, let's see. Okay, is that gonna be too big for you? Now she's gone off. She's gonna hold it. I'm gonna have to check back in and see how she likes it. Okay, bye. So Sophie loves doing this. She kind of takes her treats away when she wants to try things. So I gave her that piece. It was about, that big. Wasn't too thick. So she ran off with it, as you guys probably remember seeing. Came back and she's sniffing around for more. So I think what I'm going to do, like with this piece, is I'll probably cut it in half there. I'll probably cut like sections about that big, so that it's not too big for her. She's a tiny little thing anyways. So that way, with her not having very many teeth, plus smaller mouth, I think that should be about the right size for her. So she loves her regular dog treats. Again, we don't want to pay for really poor food quality for her. Plus, it's so much money. So if this works for us, I'm totally great with this. So bye for now. I think we're our taste testing today has been successful. So okay, bye.